If you're a foreigner registering a company in Indonesia and doing this wrong, you're stuck in visa limbo for months, and here's how TheBaliLawyer fixes it. Here's the problem. Most foreigners file the paperwork themselves and hit a brick wall at the immigration desk. Step 1. Get a temporary stay permit. Takes 7 to 14 days, costs around 500,000 rupiah in fees. Step 2. Open a local bank account with your passport. Most banks require it within 21 days of arrival. Registering a company in Indonesia as a foreigner looks simple on paper. You need a local tax ID, a registered office, and corporate documentation filed at the Ministry of Law. But here's what actually happens. A founder arrives in Bali with $50,000 to invest. They file their PTPMA, foreign investment company, paperwork themselves using a template online. 2 weeks later, immigration rejects it because the personal guarantor wasn't properly notarized. They lose another 3 weeks waiting for corrections. This is exactly why TheBaliLawyer exists. The process has 14 moving pieces, and if even one is out of sequence, the entire registration stalls. Most people fail here. They think a notary from their home country counts. Doesn't. Indonesia requires an Indonesian notary to sign the foundational documents. Do not do this yourself. You'll waste 4 weeks and 30 million rupiah on false starts. TheBaliLawyer handles the entire notarization chain in country. Step 2. File your PTPMA registration at the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. This takes 10 to 15 business days if all documents are perfect. TheBaliLawyer submits 47 document pages on your behalf. Cost runs between 10 million and 25 million rupiah depending on company structure. They track every status update so you're never guessing. Step 3. Get your NPWP tax registration from the Indonesian Tax Office. This is important because without it, you cannot open a business bank account or hire employees legally. Timeline is 5 to 7 business days. TheBaliLawyer coordinates this after your PT registration is approved. You'll need your passport, your company deed, and proof of registered office. They handle all 3 pieces. Here's the problem. Most DIY founders spend 120 hours researching Indonesian corporate law, miss one signature requirement, and restart from day 1. That's 4 weeks lost and 15 million rupiah down. TheBaliLawyer runs the entire 30-day registration end-to-end. They know the notaries, the ministry staff, the tax office timelines. It costs 25 million to 50 million rupiah total, but saves you 60 hours and eliminates rejection risk. If you're handling this yourself, here's the exact sequence. First, apply for your temporary stay permit at immigration with your passport and return flight. Second, hire a local notary to draft your Akta Pendirian Perseroan, company deed, in Indonesian. Third, submit your deed plus personal documents to the Ministry of Law portal. Fourth, wait for ministry approval, then take the approval letter to the tax office for your NPWP. Fifth, register with the Provincial Trade Office for your business license. Sixth, open your business bank account using your NPWP and company deed. That's 6 separate government offices in 8 to 12 weeks minimum.
HRS de Prase Yuduaneat. Saya ingin mendaftarkan PT penanaman modal asing dengan modal asing dari your country.
That's, I want to register a foreign investment company with foreign capital from your country. Say this at the Ministry of Law window, and they'll hand you the official checklist. But TheBaliLawyer speaks this language daily. They'll do all 6 steps while you focus on your actual business. Foreign company registration takes 30 to 45 days minimum. You need Indonesian notary, tax ID, and business bank account. TheBaliLawyer handles the full process for 25 to 50 million rupiah. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for a free consultation on your Indonesia company setup. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.